Hi guys, good morning. So today is another trading section with LightXm. So on today we are going to analyze the chart, and this is our first live for the week. So we are going to see what the market have for us today. So now I'm going to share my screen. Hold on guys. So last week was a good and profitable week for us, and we actually made money from the market last week. So we hope this week we're going to have a better like opportunity for us to trade from. So now guys, I'm going to like I'm going to do a quick analysis on some pairs and see if we can have opportunity to trade from this morning. So I'm going to share my screen right now, and then so guys, today I'm going to share my screen. Today let's just see if we're going to have any opportunity here in the market, and let's see if we have if okay. So now I'm going to share my screen for you guys right now. So I hope you guys are seeing my screen. So I don't know if you guys are seeing. So now, so this is our first live session for this week. I don't think you guys are seeing my screen. I don't think you guys are seeing my screen. Hold on, let me share my screen again. So I just share my okay now. You guys are actually seeing my screen. So this is our first trading live trading session for this week, and let's see what we've got in the market. So so now we are on BTC. So I'm going to go to the higher time frame and see the direction BTC is actually. So as you guys can see on the 4 hour time frame, as you guys can see, BTC is actually bullish. So BTC is bullish. As you can see, BTC is reacting from this zone. So BTC is reacting from this zone. Now we have a break of structure here. So we have a break of structure there, and BTC is reacting from this zone right here. So let's go to the 2 hours time frame. Let's go lower and see if we can find opportunity. As you can see, the market is bullish. Market is bullish, 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 bullish. And now, yeah, market swept this candle right here, swept liquidity. Like this week right here, swept this liquidity. So liquidity swept. So now you can see BTC is reacting from this zone. So Now you can see the current trend. The current trend is actually bullish. So now let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we are still bullish. So now we have a break of this higher, this higher high. So now we have a break of this higher high here. So let me check the tower time frame and see if it is a valid break. So now you can see guys, it is a valid break. So now we have a change of character here because this is the last break of structure to the downside. So this is the last. I'm going to mark this as the last break of structure to the downside. So let me just put my break of structure somewhere here. So last break of structure to the downside. Then we have this last lower high, and then market currently broke it to the upside. So now we are actually seeing a change of character at this point. So because market is reacting from this point here. So now and again you can see the higher time frame trend. The higher time frame trend is bullish. So we have a change of character here. Let's see if we can find any trade this morning. So now, so I don't think there's actually opportunity for us to trade from this morning. The last break, market is reacting from this. So if we had come to life earlier this morning, we could catch this movement here, but we were not we were not active. So so now there's actually currently there's no opportunity here on BTC. So now we're going to move to other pairs. So let me just check Ethereum. So Ethereum. So let's go to the higher time frame on Ethereum. So let's take this out. So on Ethereum currently it is we are currently like bearish on Ethereum because market has not broken this last high. It has not really broken it for us to say okay market wants to reverse. So now let's go to the 2 hour time frame. As you can see on the 2 hour, you can see this lower high here. Market has not broken it yet. So market is currently reacting from this point. You can see this bearish candle. So we are going to have to wait for market to break this and like we are going to have to see we are going to have to wait for confirmation. But I'm currently aiming for the market to at least come to this point, to this level of support. Have this as our engagement level. So this point and come down, then we are going to be taking our buy from this level to the upside. So let me go to the 1 hour time frame. So let's go to the 15 minutes and see if we have any. So on the 15-minute time frame, okay, let me just mark this point market is reacting from. So guys, so let's continue. Sorry for the So on the 1 hour time frame, we have this point market is we're actually looking at market to react from. So currently market is reacting from this other block. So we have a break of structure. We have a break of structure here. Why, like, if we actually going to take this trade, because I have my reasons. So I'm going to tell you guys the reason why I'm going to take the trade. Number one, I'm going to take the trade because let me go to the other time frame to explain to you guys very well. So I'm going to take this short trade because I'm looking at points to this level of support. So now we have our break of structure here. So I'm looking at market to come to this because we still have like, but currently currently it is looking like market is going to come to this level. To look like, so if we had come to life earlier, and I would have catch this moment to the downside. But let's just wait and see. As you guys know, patience is actually the optimal most key in trading. So we have to be patient. We have to be patient and see. So now there's currently no setup on Ethereum. So we are looking at Ethereum to come to this level of support here. So let's just wait for it to come here before taking any trade. So now we're going to move to Solana. So let's Solana. So as you guys can see, over the weekend we actually missed this trade, and even like the trade even missed our entry. As you can see, it came to this point, came close to our other block. Because I was looking at price to go up to this point. I said it, if you were on my life last week, I said it last week, market is going to come to this level of resistance and then reverse. So as you guys can see, market almost tapped us in here. But even if we had entered the trade, you understand, market is not going to tap us in because we actually missed entry on this trade. So now market is currently reacting from this level of resistance, and we are seeing there's there's possibility, there's actually a possibility this point is going to make um Solana go back up and tap this level of resistance. So there's possibility that point is going to make Solana go back up. But we are not going to take the trade. We are not going to take the trade. But let's just see. Let's go to the 30 minutes. So on the 30-minute time frame, we can see this point is so this is the last lower high. So the last lower high. So let's see. I'm not going to want to take this trade. I'm not going to want to take this trade. So I'm not going to want to take this trade. So we have our break of structure here, and market is even currently going up. So let's just see. So okay, everything is about risk. Is about risk. So currently I'm not going to take this trade. This is not even meeting our confluences at all. This is not meeting our confluences at all. So let's move to the next pair. We are not forcing things here. We are not forcing things here. We are looking for a high probability setup for us to take trade from. So now let's go to the higher time frame on SUI. So on SUI, market is currently going down. So market is currently going down. So let me flip on this trade. Phew, I don't really want us to force things here. I would have said we should take our entry from this point and short the market. But we are actually currently moving with the trend of the market. We are moving with the trend. So we could just take this trade. We could take this trade right here. And it is even close to our entry. It's close to our entry price because we have our break of structure here. We have our break of structure right here. So this is not a high probability setup for me. This is not a high probability setup. So I'm not going to. But if you can manage your risk, you can actually open this trade. Okay, I guess my screen is now. So if you can manage your risk, guys, you can open this trade. You can open. Okay, we had we analyzed this last week and we analyzed this last week and it is currently moving in profit. I it actually tapped our entry over the weekend and now it's moving in profit. So let's see if we can get something out of this. Let's see, let's see. Let's see if we can get something out of this. So I don't think there's opportunity here. So let's go to the next pair.